Alright, thanks for watching the video. I am so glad I actually did that video. I learned something. So I did 2 different takes. The first take was a lot of noise and I was wondering what is going on, and it actually wasn't until the second take I actually noticed what was going on. Although it was attached to something a little bit loose, so over 60 k's an hour, it wasn't sounding too good. I definitely learned that a lot of the noise was actually coming from my chain. So I've got a loose chain, so I've got to fix that up. So I'm on my way now, that's why I'm in the car, to get 2 very important things to fix this. So I'll let you know what those 2 things are in just a minute, and then I'll talk about a bit more about what's to come with the channel. Okay, I've been shopping, I got everything I need. Most important thing, the first thing I need to fix the bike is sushi. So I got some beautiful sushi from my local sushi joint. The reason for that is you can't do anything when you're hungry, man. You're hangry. You just gotta eat, relax, calm down. And then the next most important thing I got is, this is actually gonna fix it. A torque wrench. So I just got myself a nice new torque wrench, so I can now tighten up that loose sloppy chain of mine. Now the reason why it's pretty sloppy and I didn't know is because there's it's about 18,500 kilometers old, the chain, so it's got a few tight spots in it and it gets like hard to tell when your chain's a bit loose. But actually thanks for asking for that video, because I wouldn't have actually even really noticed how loose that chain was, because the exhaust just is much louder than the chain noise. So I had no idea how loose it was until I heard that video, and I was just like, man, I need to fix that chain. But anyway, all that done, what's the go with the channel? So pretty much from now on, I want to be uploading 1 video at least every 1 to 2 weeks. 2 weeks tops. I don't want to push it longer than 2 weeks. So I want to keep this channel fresh going. So sorry about the chain noise. I didn't know, but now I know, and now you guys know too. But if you enjoyed the pure sound video, smash the like button. Please subscribe, because I'm going to be dropping videos every 1 to 2 weeks, and hit the notification bell so you know when a new video posts. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Peace, Diamond.